Hey, I'm back today, and this is my first video on my new LG phone. Yes, got myself a new phone. Actually, so now Dragon Ball Legends gameplay is coming. Thomas Gaming. Yes, and yeah. Of course, I know what you're thinking, but I'm sure my stepdad doesn't want me in his room right now because he's trying to do something, but yes, and now you can see the most professional kitchen. You can see in the light, and we're here on the living room, the dining room. Now you can be able to see Zuzi right here. Say hi to the camera, Zuzi. Yeah, she lost her eyesight. Just let me know in the comments below what kind of dog it is, and I'm sure I don't got TikTok. I don't think I must have. Man, there's not gonna be any more Luke Paul or something. Yeah. So I'm getting a phone case, and yeah. Alright, and yep. And also when I get done, when I get right back, I'll be right back and post. No. I'll be right back while I'm at Target, cause Target is like, cause I'm getting a metallic Thomas. The reason why, I bought the first Thomas, but the Thomas has a missing print on the other side, so I'm getting a new one. Yeah, so I'll be right back. So I'll be right back, you guys. Hey, I'm at Target, and look what I got. The metallic Thomas. I'll show you where you can find them. You can find them right here. This is where the metallics are. Yeah. So yeah. So let's see. See if I can find any more like Thomas.
Where you at, Nikki?
I'm right here.
You're going down the wrong way.
I know. I was just showing my viewers like some Thomas. Yeah. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and when I get back, I'm going to show you the metallic Thomas, and once I get back to the car, I'm going to be unboxing this Thomas. See ya. Alright, so we got the metallic Thomas. It looks like it's shining like, well, you know. And it's still got the classic Thomas wheels. And comes with a storybook, which you've probably seen some other videos about that book, so you don't have to like see it. Alright, so it comes with a metallic coach with some wheels. These right here, the rubber thing, they're for climbing up. And so Thomas, now we can make a Thomas team season of Thomas's new heat. So thanks guys so much for watching this video. We'll see you next time on Thomas Team.